Hello guys, welcome on board. To the returning viewers, thank you for always watching this channel. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, please make sure you like, you comment, and of course, you share your opinion at the comment section. You are highly welcome. So today in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to grow your channel organically by yourself without stress. Like you don't have to stress yourself at all. You'll just sit at the comfort of your home and do what? And grow your channel all by yourself. And in the next 7 days, you'll be launching at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Hi, small YouTubers. We are soon going to go big. You know, we are growing. We are going to grow big by ourselves without anyone bragging. They actually helped us. Okay, but before I dive into this video, please, in case you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you will stay updated to post like this. You will stay updated to videos like this because I'm going to be bringing you updates like this back to back. You get it back to back. I want to be dropping updates like this. So that you keep up to date, make sure you subscribe to this channel and of course turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop the update, you will at least be notified all at once. So as a small YouTuber, in case you want to grow your channel by yourself, all the YouTubers know that we need organic followers. We don't need ghost followers. So how do you get organic followers? This is what we're going to talk about in this video today, right? You just open your channel or you are planning to own a YouTube channel. Once you open your channel, the first thing you have to do is make sure you channel your energy at the right channel. So decide on a niche that you want to work on. But let me bust your brain. You see, as a new YouTuber, you don't need to have a niche in particular because your audience will be the one to decide which niche you are going to stick with. It is the niche with the most views, like that your audience actually show interest in, that you are going to stick to and be giving them updates back to back. And from there, your channel become monetized and you become a big YouTuber. You know, you also make it in the industry. So, as a new YouTuber, you are meant to create different types of content. Create any content at your reach. You know, go extra miles for your audience until you discover what your audience really wants. And after doing that, number two tips I'm going to give you today is you can post. Do you know you can actually post shorts on YouTube just like you post stories, you post reels on your Facebook, on your TikTok. You can as well post stories on YouTube. So those shorts will generate genuine viewers for you. So when they are interested in the kind of shorts that you post, they want to subscribe to your channel to stay updated for more posts like that. So you can grow your channel with short videos, those 60 seconds videos that actually grab the attention of your viewers. That is another way to grow your channel by posting short videos. But one thing is, the moment your channel grew, like you gain the subscribers that you need, there's still something you have to do with those shorts. You'll be like, hope this thing is not going to be copyrighted. Hope I'm not going to receive copyright strike. Of course, I'm going to give you tips on that. That is why you have to stay locked to your screen and make sure you stick to this channel back to back, like 247. So, but for the meantime, as a new YouTuber, you can grow your channel with those shorts. But as time goes on, there are still some things you have to do with those shorts. I'm still going to drop video about that in my next tutorial. Do you know that YouTube has now made it easy for new YouTubers? At least when you have 30 subscribers, you can go live on YouTube. And do you know that YouTube live stream now counts with your watch hour? You see, on these YouTube streets, everything don't have to be fancy. You can make good cash, you can become a multi-millionaire in your whole room. Your background doesn't really matter. How many subscribers do you have doesn't count at all. What counts is your views. Who are the people? Like, how many people were you able to draw their attention to your channel? This is what really matters on YouTube. And YouTube is really making us proud there. They are actually supporting upcoming content creators, which is why we have to be like, YouTube is the best. Let me just tell you, YouTube is the best. And this is the main reason why you don't have to give up. Make sure you don't give up, because if you give up, you actually do what? You lose. So thank you for watching today. In case you like this video, make sure you like, make sure you comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.